Hi, I'm Chris Goff. I'm the Executive Director of the Rice Rivers Center. The Rice Rivers Center is an outdoor educational environment where students come and learn in the outdoors, in the rivers, the forests, the wetlands, and the streams of the Mid-Atlantic region. The Rice Rivers Center is really a living laboratory. Students have the opportunity to work alongside career-long researchers and faculty who are the experts in their field.
My name is Anna Jones. I'm an environmental studies major and I'm a junior.
My name is Alyssa Spacek. I graduated in December of 2023 and majored in biology with a minor in chemistry.
The Rice River Center really allows people to get out into the field and understand what it's like to actually do research and collect data, and I think it gives a larger sense of what it feels like to actually have a career in the field.
It is so valuable to have hands-on experience as it really helps you get your foot in the door.
Donors are crucial partners in what we do at the Rice River Center. Donors provide greater access to the Rice River Center. They supply students with scholarships and really have those immersive experiences that they can't find elsewhere. I want to give my sincere thanks to our donors for supporting the Rice River Center. Without your support, we couldn't do what we do at the Rice River Center. We could not provide the immersive experience we do for our students. We couldn't operate and function without your partnership and without your support, so thank you.